Hope it's not confusing. Oh, this is a new one.
Good morning. Thank you for Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a grande toasted white chocolate mocha with light whip?
Absolutely. Do you want to add an extra shot of espresso for that?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
So, I guess we're good.
Okay. Anything else I can get for you?
That's it.
Alrighty, sounds good. It'll be 5:36.
Thank you.
Thank you.
They always ask me questions. I have no idea. I've never had coffee in my life. I think I sipped it once with my grandmother when I was like 8 years old. I didn't like the coffee smell. I didn't like the coffee taste. So I've never had a coffee in my life. So I hate when they ask me questions because I just don't know the answer. You know, I hope I wasn't being rude. I hope you didn't think I was being rude. I just don't know the question. Should I have gotten an extra espresso? Let me ask. Espresso. Is it espresso? I guess it's espresso. Let's see what the boss wants. It's too late now. I'm just clarifying for later purchases. Oh, she said no, so I did good. She will be pleased with me. I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. Coffees are expensive. Like, I don't know. It's just me. It's like almost $6 for a coffee. It sounds exorbitant. Exorbitant? Exorbitant? I feel like you're staring at me. It's weird to talk to the camera. I don't know how my wife does this.
Is that card for you?
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
So thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I hit a deer the other day. I was driving to work and it was dark and the deer ran out, and I did like, I swerved a little bit and hit the deer, and unfortunately the biggest mistake of the evening was I took my wife's car. I drove this car. So the front of the car, front left bumper is where I hit the poor deer. I feel really guilty about it. You know, I eat meat. I come from a family of hunters, but I don't hunt and I don't kill deer. And so, you know, the officer that was there, I stayed after to see if the deer was okay, but it had a broken leg, and the officer was basically gonna put it out of its suffering. And I felt really bad about it, but I drove my wife's car without telling her, and just because I was going to fill it up with some gas on the way back. And, you know, her car is just nicer than my car, obviously. So, you know, it's just more comfortable. I can listen to my podcasts and stuff. So, yeah. So she was like, "Oh no, my car. Oh, thank you, you're safe." That was the reaction that I got. All right, so I made it home. Got coffee for the wife, so now I'm gonna deliver it to her. Is it good?
Thank you.
And I told people that I would get a kiss out of it.
Okay. Hi guys, I am on my way to my favorite antique/junk store. I don't really know what to classify it. I would need to ask her, like, what does she classify her shop? Because it's not really antiques, but it's not junk. I don't know. But anyways, I go here way too often. It's about 45 minutes from my house, but it's always a good little drive because Cash gets a pretty good nap while I'm driving. And then he's like, he'll just hang out in the little carrier while I look around. And anyways, I'm looking for Christmas stuff because, sorry if the camera is shaking. I am looking for Christmas stuff because my Christmas video will be up on November 26th. So I'm trying to get the house ready for the video. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should. I did a Target try-on session, my first one ever on Instagram. Usually I include them in a video on here, or do like a whole dedicated video to a try-on. But I did one on Instagram the other day and it was really fun. So if you don't follow me there, go do that. And I actually saved it in my highlights so you guys can watch it. This was one of the shirts that I got. It's so cute. I think this shirt is like, I don't know, $20 or something. So yeah, check that out. I found some really cute stuff. Okay, so this is the shop, you guys. If you live close to me, I live in San Antonio, but her shop is close to New Braunfels, and it is called Glory Bees Cottage. Look at all of the goodness out here. Like, that is just some of it, like, and the inside is pure amazingness. I'm home. I'll show you guys what I got here in just a little bit. I didn't get very much. I just got a tree, a couple ornaments, and like a little sign, so really not that much. But what I did find I really like, I already have dinner on in the crock pot. It's chicken tacos. I've talked about this recipe so many times. It's just chicken breast and then like pepperoni sauce. Yes, Cooper? You need help on the swing? Okay, just a minute, okay? And I'm gonna make this pumpkin bread. I just found it in my pantry. I guess I bought it and I haven't used it. I mean, it's not expired or anything. So it's from Trader Joe's. It says all I need is eggs, oil, and water. Yes, babe. I know, I'm coming, okay? So I'm gonna make this. Hopefully it's good. I don't know, it sounds good. Is there something on my face?
Mom.
What is that? Cooper has been here with Daddy all day and he's still in his pajamas.
Mom.
Yes, Cooper.
About. Mom, my bed.
A plane.
Yeah. Look.
I'm looking. It's so bright I can't see it.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Turned out pretty good. I think in here in the middle it's just a little bit soft, like I could have left it in a few more minutes, but when I stuck the toothpick in it was clean, so I figured it was ready. But here is the final piece, and then this is the glaze that I was making. All it is powdered sugar, milk, and a little bit of vanilla. That's why it's kind of got that brown tint to it. I think I put in more milk than I should have, but that's okay. It's still gonna be really good. And I'm just gonna drizzle it over, just trying to mix it up a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I definitely could add a lot of powdered sugar. I think I'm gonna do that, but I honestly don't care. This is gonna be so good. They just like talk shit about YouTubers. I don't know, it's just not nice. It's just not fun to hear.
Shocked. I'm actually shocked because of just like on Twitter, all I do is talk about baseball and people get really mean and talk shit. I can't believe how much you post and how much like of you give away. And when I'm shocked that I don't see more negative stuff, you know? And I'm sorry that you saw that negative stuff, but I mean, it's obvious that it's like the less than 1%, you know what I mean? You know, it's hard to always have thick skin. People just like to throw stones. People enjoy talking shit. It makes them feel better about their lives.
like 11 o'clock, I think. Jeff took Cooper with him out of the house for a little bit. I don't even know what they're doing, but to go just get out of the house for just a little bit so that I could get ready. I got a nice shower, my hair is clean, and Cash just woke up from his nap like in time. I got to do my makeup, my hair, everything, but I'm gonna go in here and get him up because I film this all the time, but waking him up is just like my favorite thing. And I want to look back on these videos and remember how cute he was whenever I would go in the room and get him up. So what are you doing? Hi. Did you have a good nap? Yeah. Are you gonna try and stand up? It's gonna be kind of hard in that sleep sack, isn't it? What's so funny? You want me to get you up? I don't really know where to start off with this. Part of me doesn't want to give it any attention, and part of me feels like I need to address it only because it would make me feel better if I talk about it a little bit. So I guess I'm just going to try to keep it not too long, but enough to where it feels cathartic for me to get it off my chest. I'm drinking my peppermint mocha that you guys saw me make just a little bit ago. But yesterday I read somebody's post who said that they found this site where people were talking stuff about them. And she's not a YouTuber, she's just an Instagram like fashion blogger. And so I was curious, but I wasn't like, I was like almost 100% sure like nobody could be talking bad about me. What could possibly, what have I done to make somebody so mad that they would talk about me? And that's just me being naive. I don't ever search the web for myself. Or you want some more? Anyways, I did. I googled my name, and lo and behold, there was some stuff about me. And part of me is like, hey, you're talking about me on this site, like I've made it, like. But the other part of me was really upset, and I take everything to heart. That's just my personality, and I know, you guys, I know it's brush the haters off, and you know, all the little sayings about other people's opinions of you are none of your business, which I totally am behind. But for that split second, that doesn't mean that it doesn't hurt your feelings when you see something that somebody has wrote about you. But if I hadn't already been through some real stuff in my life, this seems extremely insignificant compared to what I've been through before. If I hadn't been through some stuff, I think that it would really affect me in a very negative way. And I am such a small YouTuber. I didn't read beyond what I read on one thread, so there's probably more stuff out there. It's fine. I'm not ever gonna read it again. So those people, the haters that watch these videos, the satisfaction that you get from bringing people down, I feel really sorry for you. I am going to be praying for you guys, because there's really something in your heart that is causing you to be so mean. And honestly, you can say whatever you want about me. I have been through so much more stuff than you guys would ever imagine. Things that I have never ever talked about, that I have been through in my life, that this is, you could say anything about me and it would never come close to what I've been through. So go ahead, you can talk, but just don't talk about my kids. Okay. The posts that I read were about my kids, and that's not cool. There's definitely something wrong with you if you feel the need to talk about somebody's innocent children. I just wanted to say that I am so thankful for everybody who supports me. and I screenshotted just a snippet of what was said. And I got hundreds, maybe even like 1,000 messages from you guys. I'm trying not to cry because I already cried yesterday about this. The amount of support that I got yesterday was unbelievable. It means the world to me, and I'm blown away. I am truly blown away by the amount of support that I have behind me and my family. Like, you guys have no idea. Like, you just made my night. Every single one of you. I tried to reply. I'm still trying to reply to all the messages on Instagram. If you're not following me there, you should probably head over there so you don't miss out on any future drama, because that's usually where all the drama is. If you're gonna put your life out on YouTube, this is to be expected. So it's not a shock to me. It's just, no matter what somebody says, if they say something about your kids or the reason for you having kids, it's really hurtful. It's really all I have to say about it. I wanted to address it a little bit because I cut off the video yesterday after making pumpkin bread, because shortly after that's when I came across that stuff, and it just kind of put a damper in the evening. So I'm trying to make today a better day. I don't think you could be any cuter. Except maybe if I wiped your nose and got those boogers off of your face. Ew, 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 ew. I love you. So before we go, I thought I'd show y'all what I got really quickly from the shop that I went to. I got this sign. It's like a red chippy, I just love it so much. It's like a white, you know, the really popular white chippy distressed look, but it's red for Christmas, and it just says joy on it. And I replaced something that was right here with it, and I'll show you guys the rest of my Christmas decor. I don't want to give too much away, but I just want to let y'all know what I found. So I got that, and then I got this adorable Christmas tree. I just love how, what do you call these? It's almost like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree, right? But it's so cute. And then I got this little bucket for it, and I set it over here on our little end table. But those are the only two things that I got on that trip, but you guys will see more of my Christmas decor coming up pretty soon. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I know it was a little bit more of like a serious kind of vlog. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. I would love to have you here. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support and your love and everything. It means the world to me. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.